Hello, good morning guys. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, we're going to Gold Coast, Australia with my husband. So, isi-celebrate namin yung birthday ko doon, sabi ng asawa ko. And long service kasi ng asawa ko. Kaya, babakasyon kami and spend din niya namin yung birthday ko. So, ayun guys. Prepare ko kayo, napaka-exciting to kasi may 2 weeks off ako dun sa work ko and super exciting. Ayun, tour ko kayo guys. Back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog I'm gonna show you the room for 5 days. So this is the bed, big room, and the spa naman. So these are view. You can see everywhere. Lounge area and kitchen. So, ito guys, ang ganda. Makikita mo lahat parang 360 degrees. So, yan, magpo-post ng ganyan. Coffee na rin. Coffee. And then, I'm gonna show you guys the spa bath. This is amazing. So, it's beautiful. It's spectacular. So, ayan. Spa bath. Dito kami we're going to have a spa with my husband.